Sehgal. This book deals with how you can manage your stress, how can you build your confidence, and how can you manage your corporate life. So we are going to see some tips, some techniques, how to be positive and how to think positive. Right? About the author. This book is written by Anu Sehgal, so he's completed his graduation in mathematics and did his PG in MSc OR, and she's working as an associate in a reputed KPO. The purpose of writing this book is, when Anu Sehgal was working with one of the reputed KPO, she was very stressful life. She introduced to corporate life for the first time in her life. So she started thinking, how can I reduce my stress? And how can I manage myself? So she generates some techniques. So she liked that, and by that she can manage her stress. So one of the reasons to write this book is her stress, to reduce her stress of employees, mainly corporate students. So here what we should do in our life. You should think, behave in a positive way. Whenever you are in stress, think positively. Don't degrade yourself. That I cannot do it, I will not. Think positively. It may happen, it may not happen. So what is positivity? It is the thinking of mental ability. It is an aspect of joyful life, happiness, good health, successful life. These are the 7 techniques given by Anu Sehgal. So focus on your main goal. Once your goal is decided, don't deviate from it. So I want to do this, then I join this, I want to do that. It's not perfect life. So you can't reach your goal. The next is talk yourself positively. What I said before itself. When you're in stress or uncertain situation, don't degrade yourself. I cannot do it. You can do everything. Then be courageous. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Can anyone say this? What is it? Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. No one. Simple, yaar. Replace your bad mistakes and take out your good things which you have done in your life. Then be positive with the people and avoid associating with negative ones. Here, if you think positive, if you are a friend of a negative thinker, you can't be successful. Because he thinks negative, you think positive. Right? So your combination will not successful. Then be thankful to everyone. Even you get a help or you do help to everyone. Be thankful to everyone. And identify at least one good thing in your life. Remember it. Benefits. All the benefits you get by positive thinking. 1. To reduce stress. You can get successful life. Help to cope better stressful situations. Reduce the risk of certain diseases. If you are happy, there is no way to diseases. Improve your esteem confidence. These are 5 tips given by Anu Sehgal. 1 is smile. Are you smiling now?
Yeah.
From your heart?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes. We think so.
See, smile is a unique thing. If you well dressed, until you don't smile, it's nothing. You're not looking good. See, a smile is an inexpensive way to improve your look and your life. Is it right? Right protection then?
Yes.
There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in your life. You do good or bad. You get a feeling that I did something. You will get an experience. So, if you make a mistake, remember this quotation. A life spent making a mistake is not only more honorable, but useful than a life spent doing nothing. Nothing is something better than doing something, right? Also remember this. What do you think of by seeing this picture?
Confident.
See, failure doesn't make you loser. An attempt make you the winner. As you fail in this attempt, try. Why don't you try next attempt, right? You must success. Talk nice. Words once given may not be replaced back. So talk everyone with every good sense. Be healthy. Why is be healthy? Huh? Unless until you are healthy, how can you think positively, right? So that's the reason. Right. These are the 3 things which you have to change. One is thinking, behavior, and attitude. Unless until you don't change this type of behaviors, you can't go to positive way. If your thinking is wrong, then you are wrong. If your attitude is close to 1, you are not open to everyone, right? Right. See, attitude change personally from inside. It should be there in within you. unless he said that I should change, she said that I should change. It's not like that. You should change by yourself. Then what is thinking? Change comes from observing logically in every situation. A behavior. Change to take assessment and determination and discipline. How do you respond in an uncertain situation? Positively. Is it good? You are following it, right? Will you follow it?
Yes.
Will you follow it? No. No, I'm asking Pravita. She's dull, so okay. If you go for positively, your life is beautiful. If you go for negatively, if you think in negative way, your life is stressful because you are degraded, right? This is positive attitude. See yourself in a positive way. See, what matters the most is you see yourself. How are you thinking of yourself is matter. What other things is not a matter. This is important. In order to turn your mind towards a positive, the inner work and training are required. Attitude thoughts do not change overnight, right? You should be trained for it. It's a long duration. Conclusion. This is a positive, only the first of mind. Other half is turning the positive thoughts into action. And this is a very willpower comes in. The responsibility of making this to happen. It lies a voice inside our system that makes us doing things in order to do this. This is a short description of positive thinking. My personal feeling about this book is, if you follow this, at least you follow one or two techniques, you can reduce your stress, first of all. And you may be successful, not you may be, you will be successful, and you are going to become a great person, right? So this is my feeling. And I want to quote one quotation of a personal will. It's not religious and all. See, what I believe is, God do not work with you. Sorry, He does not work for you. He works with you. You get it? God do not work for you. He works with you. Unless until you try, none the God will help you. Thank you. This is my small presentation.